Hey guys, it's Eric here at Farpoint Farms. Check it out. Inside of this box is an addition to my solar array. I had originally intended to make this video an install video, but as you can see here, well, that ain't happening. Yeah, it has been snowing pretty much nonstop since the middle of January. Here we are, early February, and it is not trending to stop at all. In fact, it looks like it's gonna get some more snow tonight. So I figured instead, I'll just do an unboxing with you here, show these things off, and we'll talk about, well, and I'll wait for a day where the sun actually comes out, which it also hasn't done in 2 weeks, and we will take a look and see what kind of power you can expect out of these. Now these Callsun panels are rated at 210 watts, I believe. Let me go ahead and open it up and take a look at the exact details. They are the same size as some other panels that I picked up last year. They're bifacial solar panels, N-type, so they do get sun from both sides, which is kind of the newest technology when it comes to that. Overall size is 1100 millimeters by 578 millimeters, and they're 30 millimeters thick. Power output is 215, so I was wrong, not 210, 215 watts out. And that would be maximum power voltage would be 17.37 volts, 12.38 amps. Open circuit voltage is 20.41 volts, and short circuit current would be 13.2 amps. These do have 25% cell efficiency, which has not moved a whole lot over the last 20 years, which is kind of sad, but it is what it is. Degradation rate, they're saying about 1% per year, so that's not bad. Committed to maintaining an 84.5% output for 25 years. I would say that's good. Hard to believe this, but right here is 430 watts of power. And that's a ton of juice. So, you know, it's the equivalent of 400 watt panels plus some. It is the bifacial stuff where you do get a little bit of sunlight, I guess, from behind. Yeah, you can, I'll pull that out and you'll see what I mean. These are supposed to get a little better efficiency than the original style that came out so many years ago now. Whether that actually is true, well, that'll be something we find out on a sunny day. But yeah, these are, they're very pretty. They're darker than the ones that I had bought from the other company. But I look forward to installing all this stuff. And, you know, we've talked about this many times on this channel. In fact, I just made a video on why your radio equipment really won't matter much if you don't have some way of powering it. This is the best way I can think of to power stuff, having done all the math in my head as far as generator usage, fuel consumption, that kind of stuff, versus what we have here, which is a one-time investment, and then once it's up, it's up. 25-year lifespan on these panels. Lithium batteries now lasting 10 to 12 to 15 years, which honestly, I feel like, I bet my solar array will last about as long as these panels will in general. The solar charge controller, I've never had to replace. I've had it up for 6 years now. The inverter, I replaced the first year I had it. It is also now 6 years old. So the investment that you make when you go into solar like this really just pays for itself along the way, which is nice. I mean, it's like, yeah, it's a little more costly up front. Although I've seen plenty of generators break the $1,000 mark. For $1,000, you can get yourself a really nice solar setup that can power equipment as needed in the event of an emergency. All right, well, let me pause the camera. We'll wait for a nice sunny day, and we'll see if these things put close to their rated output. Let's do it. All right, it's a bit cold out here. There's no doubt about that. But we did get a little sunlight, so I figured I'd pull out one of these panels, and we'll see how close to its full rated wattage we can get. Again, winter skies, but a fairly sunny day, which is extremely, extremely unusual. You can see the frost still up there. It is cold, about 18 degrees right now. So I've got a power pack I'm gonna plug into this thing, and we're gonna plug it in, turn it on. It is a lithium power pack, but it's been inside, so it's been fully warmed up. It does need a charge, and we'll see what kind of wattage it puts out. Let's do it. All right, let's plug it in and see what happens.
Yeah, 53%, 209 for the wattage.
All right, 209 watts. That's rated for 215. That's incredible. So yeah, and this is bifacial, I think they call that, right? Let me show that. So theoretically, she gets sunlight on both sides, or the reflective sunlight on the back also allows for charging. This is the newest technology. Yeah, 200, I can see it from here, 222. So it's actually outperforming its rated wattage at this point. There it goes back down to 210 with a cold wind, 221. Nice. Yeah, so that's the Callsun solar panels. I got 2 of these babies. I had hoped to install these, but 18 degrees and a never ending, this is week 3.5, I think, of snow. Just finished plowing the latest batch. I'm ready for spring, and I mean that in like the most painful way you can imagine. Till next time, my friends, take care.